Alright, hey y'all. So today I'm going to show you how to do a little trick here. I improvised this. My friend told me, I knew I had an exhaust leak in my car. Check engine light keeps coming on. It keeps saying exhaust leak. Pardon for the smokiness. We'll get to this in a minute. And I had a feeling that it was probably the gasket that goes from the manifold down into the catalytic converter. So when I pulled it out, I found this. Nice, right? Now, this is the one the dealership gave me. Let's take a comparison real quick. Obviously, not the right gasket, right? Here's the issue. Apparently, the setup that I had is an aftermarket setup. So I had to wait for one to come. In the meantime, I found that my 03 Pontiac Vibe GT here, it had the same exhaust as a, well, not the same exhaust, the same exhaust size opening of a 2.5 liter Nissan. Probably an Altima or something like that. So I decided to get one of those gaskets instead. It's a pretty close match, but not really. It's about the same size around, and that's about it. Because of that, my friend told me that, he's like, oh, you should take it to the shop, man. They got this machine, it costs like $1,000, and this machine, man, they'll diagnose it, and they'll know right away. And I was like, yeah, no, I don't pay anybody to do anything, really. So, and he's telling me the machine is what it does is it pumps smoke into the system. I said, well, if you pump smoke into the system, you should be able to pull smoke in, right? And see, I already knew from when the car was running that I could see it just coming out of the exhaust manifold. I took the heat shield off, and it was just rolling out of there. But I couldn't pinpoint where. So I was wondering if it was still the gasket that I just replaced, or if it was something else. So I rigged up this little system. What we got here is just it's a shop vac. Let me get out of the shadow. It's a shop vac, and I took the hose here and I ran it into my tailpipe. And what I did was I wrapped the plastic bag, opened up both ends, wrapped the plastic bag with just some old painter's tape so everything comes off easy. And you can see here when I turn it on, you actually get some suction there. You can see it yanking the bag into the system. So then what I did was I took my incense here. God, please excuse my garage. Took my incense here and I take it back here to where the manifold is. And you can see the connection right there. That's the bad boy, this little connection here. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go turn on the vacuum, and I'm going to come back here, and you can see what I see. You can see it right there just getting sucked right into that connection. So we now know that what is bad is the connection, and I'm going to have to wait for the gasket to get shipped to me from freaking China. So in another 23 days, even though my car is like a week past inspection, in another 23 days, I may have a gasket to put in here that might work. Kind of sucks. I can't find it in any local joints. But as you notice, if I roll it around anywhere else on the exhaust, I see nothing sucking. So I'm pretty confident that this right here is in fact where my joint is. I hope this little tip helps you. This is Sean. Talk to y'all later.